If you add just 1 spoon of vinegar to milk, the liquid milk quickly turns into a solid. Is this change simply cooking or is this a chemical reaction? Today, we will explore how cheese is made by using the isoelectric point and pH change of protein in milk. Before we start, I explain what is isoelectric point. The isoelectric point is the specific pH that which molecules such as protein or amino acid carried no net electric charge and does not migrate in an electric field. So basically at this point, this will become positive charge and negative charge will be equals and net charge will be 0. For example, we have a milk turning into cheese. And up to next, I will show how can we create the cheese using this. So these are the materials which you require for this experiment. You need 300 milligrams of milk, which I use, and you need a half of the lemon. And you need 1 cheese cloves, 1 separated bucket, like 1 pot, and 2 grams of salt. And that's all for materials which you require. So first you put the 300 milligrams of milk inside the pot. And you put 2 grams of salt inside the milk. Mention in the requirement, you need something to mix, so you take some spoon to mix salt and milk. If you mix like this, then after this you need to make it warm, so I'm gonna use the fire. While you're using the fire, you should be very careful. From lemon. So now I'm going to take lemon juice. While the bubble comes out from the milk, then you need to make sure it gets same less. I need to put some lemon juice and mix it together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make lemon juice. Inside this milk and I mix it well. Like 3 or 4 times. 5 times you need to mix this thing, and what you need to do is you just wait. And now you off the flame. You wait for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now I think the cheese is ready, so I will just pour it into cheese. Then let's see if we're gonna make the cheese. Let me just
wrap this, wrap it in. Yeah, it's working. It's working, it's working. Look at this. It's getting separate. Okay, yeah. Cheese has been created. Now I'm making all the waters to go out and make sure only the cheese remain inside. See? This is the outcome. Now this, I will just make it clearly and I will show the outcome.
So I'm just gonna keep the thing like this for some time until this gets dry. So I just took this from my refrigerator. So this is my outcome which I got. It's become clear cheese. Now let's see, how does this happen? This happens because of protein and acid. Milk contains a type of protein called casein. This protein particle carry a negative charge, so they replace each other and remain evenly distributed in liquid. That is why milk stays in a liquid form. Milk contains the types of protein called casein. When an acid such as lemon juice or vinegar is added, the pH of the milk decreases. After that, the milk separates into two ways, one is curd and one is whey, and curd is the cheese. This is a chemical equation for this experiment. So in there's a casein, and vinegar's main component is uric acid, which is acidic and release H plus ion. So at around pH 4.6, which is the isolectic point of casein, the overall charge of the protein becomes 0. The protein no longer replace each other. This casein will not gonna mix with water, and this calcium acetate will be the remaining, which called whey. Next we will see what role does the salt do. Salt help protein stick together and makes the cheese finer. Put some honey on the bread. And after that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put our cheese on.